Starting us off for the year, OpenEye's 2024.1 Antibody Discovery Suite release highlights are jam-packed with a new package, new flows, and features. New in this release is our 3D antibody modeling package. Starting with structure generation and preparation, our package allows you to quickly input sequences from OAS, Theracept app, AbXtract, or sequencing experiments to generate models with the desired numbering and annotation scheme. Even better, the sequence-to-structure flow is optimized for large-scale jobs, making it cost-efficient to submit multiple sequences in one job. This flow outputs a model-ready antibody design unit with sequence and region coloring and labeling, and biophysical liability annotations. Following structure generation and prep, this package offers multiple avenues to ensemble generation. Starting with the Antibody MD simulations with conformational analysis flow, this flow solvates each input antibody design unit, treating each input in its entirety in a separate simulation. More importantly, this flow also outputs structural clusters to show relevant dynamical states of the loop conformations. Alternatively, the Antibody CDR loop ensemble generation flow offers a more diverse loop ensemble, generated by leveraging our Spruce toolkit to build loops using exemplars from the PDB. Simply select a CDR so that CDR regions will automatically be detected and numbered using the specified numbering scheme, and set your preferences for generation. With generated conformations, you can analyze and visualize patches and surfaces by running the Antibody Surface Patch Generation flow, allowing you to view green hydrophobic and purple hydrophilic patches, as well as electrostatic potential surfaces, representing positive and negative charge patches. Additionally, you can easily mutate residues, either manually as you're working in the 3D viewer, or by running the Antibody Mutate Residues flow, which allows you to make single or multiple mutations on either a single structure or a group of structures. Finally, our 3D antibody modeling package offers novel structure-based clustering without the limitations of sequence length requirements. By leveraging SiteHopper's ability to search for and generate surface representations in shape and color. This flow takes all antibody structures from the input dataset and clusters based on CDR surface patches. Our structure-based clustering method is effective in situations with one antibody and multiple conformations, or with diverse antibodies binding the same epitope and potentially studying off-target effects. Jumping into our AbXtract package updates, we've improved the NGS pipeline to allow for processing of compressed FASTQ files, reducing storage overhead and optimizing error processing to drastically improve the overall processing speed. One of many new flows debuting in this release, we've created a multi-round enrichment flow that uses a single, simple table to define enrichment groups and selection rounds from input datasets, outputting enrichment and abundance round to round and across the entire experiment. Next up is our new Quick Sanger flow that allows you to apply pre-filtering flags to raw reads, with multiple sequence trimming options like before and after assembly and quality, length, and sequence-based trimming options, as well as the option to parse out the primer based on forward and reverse reads. Despite any filtering or trimming, the Quick Sanger flow stores sequence data in its output file for assembly diagnostics. Additionally, this flow offers the option to flag wells with potential multiple transformants observed via read quality across HCDR3. Next up, this release includes a new flow that automatically selects your top leads and compiles a detailed flow report, including a single summary table with barcode group level statistics on region of interest, relative abundance, and sequence liabilities, sequence logos of all HCDR3 sequences from selected clusters, and interactive box plots that summarize population statistics of lead ranking criteria over clusters and barcode groups, with sequence, barcode group, and cluster-centric views. Rounding out our AbXtract updates, we've improved Sanger error reporting and sequence retention by storing all successful and problematic sequences in a single output file, with clear error reporting. By storing all sequences, you now have the ability to select consolidation of individually sequenced clones by region of interest, such as the HCDR3, and fine-grained reporting of sequence issues, such as frame shifts and stop codons, by individual frameworks and CDRs. And finally, you can now visualize cluster sequence logos on the Analyze page. To learn more about the 2024.1 Antibody Discovery Suite release, visit docs.isopen.com.